Okay. Consider a dichotomous population having two classes C and C complement. आता dichotomous population म्हणजे काय बघा हा. So in our class male students are there and also female students are there. Okay. So if we combine together you can get total number of students. Okay. So assume that male students are 10, female students are 12. Okay. So total students, how many are total students? There are 22 students. Okay. So dichotomous meaning that your population is divided into two parts, okay, or two classes, and which classes are C and C complement. For example, your class or in your class there are male 10 students are there having class C, and female students are 12 there, and we can say the class C complement, okay, for female. So let capital N be the number of individuals in the population. Okay. So A be the number of units belonging to class C. So A is equal to 10 as male is equal to 10 in class C, and A complement is there, the number of units in the population belonging to class C complement. So A complement is equal to 12 here. Okay. So combined together A plus A complement, you can get population size. A plus A complement, you can get population size capital N. आता मला काय करायचं आहे की या क्लास मधून स्मॉल n इतकं सिंपल रॅन्डम सॅम्पलिंग विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट ने काय करायचं आहे, सॅम्पल जनरेट करायचं. सॅम्पल जनरेट केल्यानंतर हा n कॅपिटल N हा स्मॉल n पेक्षा नक्कीच मोठा असणार आहे, स्मॉल n हा लहान असणार आहे. मग त्यामध्ये सॅम्पल मध्ये काही A आणि A कॉम्प्लिमेंट असतील. सॅम्पल मध्ये A आणि A कॉम्प्लिमेंट असतील, म्हणजे सिलेक्टेड स्टुडंट्स मध्ये काही मेल्स असतील, काही फिमेल्स असतील, काही बॉयज असतील, काही गर्ल्स असतील. So A plus A complement, again we can get small n. So sample will also consist of two parts or two classes, A and A complement. Okay. लक्षात आलंय? समजलंय ना? समजली की नाही? रिया
सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम मुळे थोडं.
येस सर.
आवाज क्लिअर येत नाही का?
येतोय सर.
ओके ठीक आहे, मी रेकॉर्ड करतो, नंतर तुम्ही ते बघा, चालेल. ओके. सो लेट कॅपिटल P be the proportion of individual belonging to class C. म्हणजेच काय, कॅपिटल P म्हणजेच काय आहे, proportion of individual belonging to class C, and capital Q be the proportion of individuals belonging to class C complement. Okay. So in the population, capital P is equal to capital A divided by N, and capital Q is equal to A complement divided by N. But we have a relation that A plus A complement is equal to capital N. So that implies A complement is equal to N minus capital A. So N minus capital A is there. So that's why A complement is equal to N minus A divided by N, and N minus A divided by N A minus A complement divided by N is there. So 1 minus, again we divide by N for two terms in numerator, as 1 minus A by N is there, and this is equal to 1 minus P, as Q is equal to 1 minus P. Suppose a simple random sample without replacement of size N is drawn from the population, and let small a, आता capital A म्हणजे काय होता की कॅपिटल ए म्हणजे काय होता, the number of units belonging to class C, number of units belonging to class C. आणि कॅपिटल ए कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे काय होता, नंबर ऑफ युनिट्स बिलॉंगिंग टू क्लास सी कॉम्प्लिमेंट. ओके, सो and total number of units in the population are capital N. So in the case of sample without replacement, we have to I think we have to re-abbreviate the notations as small a are number of units in the number of units of the sample belonging to class C, and small a complement is the number of units of the sample belonging to class C complement. So a plus a complement is equal to small n is there. Okay, so small p and small q be the proportion in the sample of class C and C complement respectively. So small p is equal to a by n, small q is equal to a complement by n, and that is equal to n minus a divided by n, here a complement. So as a plus a complement is equal to n, so that implies a complement is equal to n minus a, and here n minus a divided by n is there. So this is equal to 1 minus a by n, that is equal to 1 minus p, that is equal to small q is there. Okay, so these are all the notations. Now let yi be the units in the population possessing values as yi is equal to 1, 0. If ith unit of the population belongs to class C, and 0 is ith unit of the population belongs to class C complement. Okay, so if we take summation of yi is equal to, this is equal to a, that means we can't count 0, only count 1. So number of ones, yi is represented as number of ones. So number of ones means the population belonging to class C. So number of units in the population belonging to C. So this is a, and we know that capital P is equal to a by n. So that implies a is equal to n into p is there. Okay, so summation y is equal to np. So similarly y bar is equal to what means y bar? Summation yi divided by capital N. So np divided by p, that is equal to capital P. So the y bar means the population proportion of ith units belonging to class C. Okay, and this is equal to a by n. Okay, similarly small y bar is equal to small a by n, and that is equal to small p, and that is equal to small p. Again we can take as summation yi square. Summation yi square, if we take square of 1, it is again 1, square of 0, it is 0. So summation yi square is also equal to capital A, and that is equal to a is equal to np is there. Okay, so this is the case. Okay.